guys, it's Cher here, and welcome back to another video. Today we are making a sandwich, and this is tomatoes, this is bread, this is cheese, this is ham, and this is lettuce. And this is Coca-Cola, but we don't do this because I use it to drink. It's not an ingredient, but I need this to drink. So yeah. So we could do lettuce, or tomatoes, or cheese, or ham first, but I don't really care. So do I use hands? Whatever, I don't care. I'm gonna try one. I'm gonna grab it and I'm gonna try the smallest piece. How about lettuce? Oh my god. Lettuce. And what do we need? Ham. Super slimy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Cheese. Can't forget cheese. Can't forget cheese. We only have one cheese in this sandwich. Oh! Yummy. This sound. And some few more lettuce. It's a bit too much, but I mean a bit too little. So I'm gonna add some mess. Oh no, it's too big. Yeah, just cut it up. And some more tomatoes. And I think we could finish this. Ta-da! So I hope you like this video and subscribe and follow me. And I didn't say follow me in the first video that I made. So bye!